So for tonight, we're gonna make some burritos. Just a good old, um, we're actually making turkey burritos with beans. But what we're gonna do is I want to preheat. It's kind of cold out, so I want to preheat my tortillas a little bit. Get them. I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. So I'm just let those go for a little bit. I do have my veggies already done. As you can see, they're already done and squared away. We're gonna do our 90% beef, turkey, corn, pinto beans, Stokes green chili, some cheese, and some seasoning. We might throw on a little bit of the avocado dip as well. So for our burritos, I want to heat up my tortillas a little bit just to get them so they're not soggy. I just want to get a little bit of a little bit of a browning going on it. Ooh, that's probably a little bit more than half a pound, but that's okay. Beans and the chili, and then it's pretty much served. And I'll show you how we're going to prepare this as well. Yeah, it's cooking pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and add our beans, our corn as well. So we're going to go ahead and put some corn in there. I don't want a lot of corn. Get that in there. And then we're going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. So we got everything cooked. As you can see, that looks pretty good. We got our beans, our ground turkey, some corn, and the chili in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this avocado dip on. Like I say, I probably made way too much way too much of this for just me, but I'll be nice and full. Got our burrito. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some cheese in there. Get our lettuce. Get some of our peppers. Throw in some tomato. Okay, so that's one burrito squared away. See if I can fold this without making a gigantic mess. Maybe, maybe not. Oop, dang it. Look at that, it's like I kind of knew what I was doing. So dinner is served. We got our two burritos. That looks pretty good if you ask me. So I kind of got rained out on this evening. I was gonna do a fire and cook some marshmallows, but it's just dumping like crazy. I don't know if you can hear it on the trailer, but I'm warm, I'm comfy. That's kind of one of the things I like about fall. Is yeah, weather might kind of come in and kind of ruin your plans a little bit, but long as you're warm and long as you're dry, it's actually pretty enjoyable. I mean, I'm in a t-shirt right now, and I mean it's cold outside. I'm waking up in the morning, it's probably gonna have a good frost for sure. They're calling, I think, for mid to low 30s. So I'm not too worried about being cold or wet, but I really wanted to be out by the fire and just kind of hang out. And like I say, I'm very thankful for my diesel heater I got right here. Uh, it's making this actually really enjoyable, and I'm really looking forward to some winter camping. Like I say, I'm in a t-shirt right now, and I'm actually gonna get ready to kind of get in bed. We just made it down to the lake. We're gonna try to do a little bit of fishing, with the amount of rain and cool temperatures that we got from last night, check out what it did on these mountains over here. It looks actually really gorgeous. So with fall in the air, check this out. We definitely got snow in the high country over the past couple days. I'm at the power plant currently, and we're gonna go try and fish just kind of down right over in here. I've always done real good over here, but yeah, look at those mountains. It's crazy. All right, let's get ourselves down to the water here. So I've caught some decent sized fish over at the power plant. Uh, they, I've heard there's some big lake or Mackinaw that are hanging out over in this area. I've never caught them personally, but I've always had good luck. I mean, I've caught 14-inch rainbow out of here. Uh, so I mean, they're definitely in here, and they like to put up a fight, which is nice too. But yeah, we're gonna go. Oh Jesus, we're gonna go off of that point over there. So we're at this fishing spot. We were here yesterday, but we're gonna try fishing again. I had no luck at the power plant, but man, look at the view. Look how pretty it is at Twin Lakes this weekend. Absolutely gorgeous. But we're gonna work our way down to the lake here. There's a little inlet. They were jumping quite a bit at the power plant, but just nothing was. I guess they just didn't like what I had to offer. So, it's what it is. But we're gonna try down here. Oh, I gotta show you this view here. This is actually pretty cool. Look at this. Look at the clouds move off of the mountain. That's cool. But yeah, it's I've been fishing with a Castmaster and a fly and bobber. I don't really fish off the bottom too much because I just don't like fishing off the bottom. But we're gonna go sit up over here, see if we have any luck. It's actually, I should have left my coat. It's actually getting hot and nice now, which would be kind of nice. It's been rainy for a little bit, but let's see if we can catch something. Check out this fish, guys. Look at that. Beautiful rainbow. So if you guys have made it this far, please like and subscribe to the channel. Helps us grow and helps me keep content coming for you guys. That's going to conclude our trip for today and the video for today, and I will see you in the next one.